Hi everybody, it's Maria. And for a while there we were showing you different things that we might have been working on at home. It's been a really busy summer with our garden, so I haven't been sharing too much. But this week I finally worked on a little craft in the evenings that I want to share with you. I made some really cute little pumpkins out of a coffee can, vegetable cans. I think this is even a dog food can. Some wine corks, and different little cheap floral items that I had just laying around. So let me show you what I did. I started out with my 4 cans, some sponge brushes, some cheap paint from the Dollar Tree, white paint, and some orange chalk paint, which I did buy special because I just wanted to try it out. Then I gave everything a coat of white paint. I would advise being very careful when you hold the cans. A couple of the cans were a little rough inside. I didn't cut myself, thank goodness, but just be careful if you're going to do that. I didn't feel like the first coat of white paint was enough, so I did go back over and paint them with another coat of white paint. Then I used the orange chalk paint. I just used 1 coat, and I didn't mention before that I did not paint the bottom of the top of the coffee can, the bottom of the coffee can. I just did the lid. Then I trimmed the wine corks into sizes that would maybe go a little bit better with the size of the can. And I hot glued on the flowers and the leaves and other things. So here you see my finished product. I thought they turned out really cute for such an easy project at home. You can see the lid off of the coffee can. You can put some treats in there. And I hope you enjoyed my craft. I had fun doing it. If you've been making things at home, feel free to share what you've been doing on our Facebook page or Instagram.